As a parent of a toddler or a young kid, many of us would have faced these symptoms with our kids frequently. These are common cold, running nose, cough, fever, chest congestion. So let's begin today's video on yogic techniques to combat the common cold and flu symptoms in young kids. With me, Ranjani, a certified yoga teacher from Atmic Yoga. Along with me, this is Omdharan, my 4-year-old toddler, who's here to demonstrate the yogic techniques and asanas. Let's begin. So first, let's see the Cobra Pose. Cobra Pose or any chest opening pose will help to improve the lung capacity and thus reducing the chest congestion. So keep your legs closer, and this hands wider. Yes, and try to look up, and normal breathing with a hissing sound of a snake. So let them stay here for 10 to 30 seconds. And if needed, they can take a break in between and repeat it for 3 to 4 times. This is not snake pose, dear. Kai thalli vechiko. Thalli vechitte maala paru. Look up and say. Yeah, look up and say. Open your shoulders. And the next pose we are going to see is bow pose. So take rest for a while and then move on to the bow pose. So lie down flat. Try to hold your legs with your hands. Try to lift your body and look up. Oh my God, this is awesome. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. And just lie down. Lie down comfortably. Lie down for a while. Let them take ample amount of rest in between their asanas, and also do not expect perfection while the kids are doing the asanas. So the next pose that we are going to see today is child's pose or balasana. So let them kneel down and then lie down flat on their thighs with the hands near the body on the sides, the palms facing the ceiling. And let them lie down here as long they feel comfortable. So you can give them a gentle massage on their back so that they feel comfortable and stay in the pose for longer duration. If they feel uncomfortable lying down on their thighs, they can give some gap between their legs while doing this asana like this. இப்போ சைடில் பண்ணிக்காங்க பொறுமை. And the next asana that we are going to see today is downward facing dog. So let's do the downward facing dog asana. So they can be like little distance between their feet. No, not that much. Yeah. And their palms pressed on the floor and the back is flat. They are in the inverted V position. So let them stay here as long as they feel comfortable. Can you do this in the side direction? Thank you so much. So yes. And the next asana that we are going to see is Tadasana, seated stretches. So let them sit comfortably in any pose and raise their hands up above their head, the arms closer to their ears, and stretch from the top. So stretch your arms as high as possible. Yes, very good. Stay there for 3. Stay there for 3, 2, 1. Now slowly lean towards your left side. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Come back to the center and to the other side.
3, 2, 1.
The other side.
1, 2, 3.
We will do for one more round, but do not lift your legs, okay? Yeah. So ready? Stretch your arms above your head. Stretch as much as possible. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1.
Wait. 4, 3.
Stretch.
4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4.
is forward bending, simple forward bending. Let them keep their legs together and bend from their hip. So slowly bend down and try to touch your toes. Omdharan, try to touch your toes. Yes, bend forward and stay as long as you feel comfortable.
Now,
Yeah.
நான் 11 minutes இப்படியே இருக்க போறேன்.
Okay. You can count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Side la panni kami, side la panni kami.
15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
போதும்,
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Stop. Indicator.
Awesome. And the next asana is cat and cow pose, which is also good for the spine. So let's do the cat and cow pose.
What do? What are you going to do?
Cat and cows, when they inhale, look up, look up, look up, look up, look up. Yeah. So this arch should be formed, and when they look down, a curve should be formed in the spine. So look up, and look down in between your arms from a tabletop position. So inhaling, look up, deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Yeah.
I like tea.
And the next asana is lion pose, Simhasana. They can sit down or in Vajrasana.
Wait,
With
wait.
hands in this
You-
position.
Wait for it. The leg, close the legs, the hand, the front part, the fingers back part,
Okay.
all together.
Okay. Now
Not
look.
together is on the right, some gap.
Inhale, look up. Yeah. Exhale and roar like a lion. So inhale, look up. This is very good for the throat, which will get them alleviate the symptoms of throat infection and chest congestion. With these asanas, we will also learn some mudras that are very helpful during the period of sickness. So whenever we are facing such symptoms, these mudras will be highly beneficial. The number one in this mudra is Ling Mudra. What he is doing, keep both the palms clasped together with the left thumb extended outwards. The right thumb and the right index finger is making a circle around the extended thumb, keeping it closer towards your chest, and stay there for a minimum of 5 minutes for kids. So this mudra is highly helpful to relieve chest congestion and to relieve fever and many other symptoms of common cold and flu. This
Ma?
is highly beneficial mudra for kids and even for adults.
Ma, I can do some more healthy of this.
Yeah, what is that?
Close your eyes and relax.
Oh, that's awesome. Yes, if possible, if they can close their eyes and sit, it's very good. If not, it is perfectly okay. Let's go on to the next mudra. Yes. Yeah, and the next mudra is the Maharis Mudra. People who cannot do Maharis Mudra can do for Cobra Mudra. This mudra is highly helpful when the kid is having blocked nose and the sinus congestion and cannot breathe properly, especially this happens in the night. So they can keep this mudra in hand and go to bed. So can you do the Maharis Mudra?
Can.
Yes.
Thumb finger is
Index finger and middle finger.
thumb, index finger and little finger like this. Okay? The ring finger touch your palms. The ring finger also straight wire like a
Can you do in both the hands and show?
can.
Yes. As he said, press all the thumb finger, thumb finger, index finger and middle finger together. The ring finger should touch the palms and the little finger should be extended out. Keep it on your legs. Sit comfortably for 5 minutes. This is excellent in clearing the nasal congestion. This will work immediately after 5 minutes. So do try this mudra whenever your kid faces nose congestion, blocked nose kind of symptoms. So keep your spine straight whenever you are sitting in this mudra. Keep your spine straight. Yes.
Spine
This is your spine. Keep your back straight. Yeah.
Mine is
So if kids who cannot do one finger like this and the other finger like this, they can bend both the fingers and keep. This is Cobra Mudra. This also gives the similar effects like the Maharis Mudra. And we are going to do one simple pranayama that is highly efficient in treating any respiratory problems. So if we are performing this pranayama every day for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes, this will be helping to improve the quality of our respiratory organs. So let's perform the Anulom Vinulom pranayama. So sit comfortably in any preferred position. Keep your left hand in Chin Mudra on your lap, the other hand to open and close your nostrils. So inhale through the left and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Start performing. So close your nostrils, exhale completely through the left. Inhale through the left, close it, exhale through the right. Now inhale through the right, close it, exhale through the left. Inhale and exhale in the opposite nostril. Take deep breaths. This pranayama is little difficult to perform while their nose is blocked. So this can be practiced during the other days, which will help them to reduce the issues that they face with this common cold symptom. You can also get a copy of my book Yogic Secrets of Eating for Weight Loss, where I have added a separate topic for kids eating, important things that we should know as a parent while we feed our kids. So if you are interested, you can get a copy from us. So yoga for young kids is not just about managing the symptoms of common cold or to improve their immunity. Yoga for young kids have various benefits. Let me list out few of them. Yoga develops the strength and flexibility of their muscles, and it will improve the strength of their bones. As they are growing, it helps in their growth and development according to their age. Yoga is good for balance and coordination, and also can help the kids to perform better in any sports that they are playing. Yoga strengthens the mind-body connection and improves their focus, attention, memory, and it is also good for their emotional regulation. Kids who perform yoga get better in their self-esteem, and it is also good for their emotional strength. Yoga also improves the ADHD symptoms, and yoga helps to improve stress management from young age. Even young kids have stress which we never address it. It helps in constipation, it helps with digestive issues, it helps the regulation of hormones, it helps the regulation of sleep, and overall it improves the quality of their physical and mental health. So I request all the parents who are watching this video to impart this tremendous yogic knowledge in your kids from a very young age and make their life better. Kids can practice this yoga asana for a minimum of 5 minutes a day to a maximum of 30 minutes a day. Kids cannot perform static asanas, so involve them in more of dynamic asanas, which includes songs, stories, and games. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please do consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified whenever we post the next video. You can also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the links in the description box below. You can also join in our WhatsApp community, where you can discuss about your queries related to health, fitness, yoga, diet, meditation, and even kids yoga. The link will be updated in the description box below. If you find this information useful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video, because sharing is caring. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.
Subscribe